if you watched my previous video where I talked about the stadium in my perspective building workshop, you would know that I proposed a solution that the stadium shouldn't only be divided by comfort and disability, but by interest also. And I'm not gonna touch upon this too much because you can watch that video anytime you would like. But the thing is that you wouldn't believe how hard it was to film that video because there was just so much noise, so much music, so much commentary, just a background noise. It was hard to film in it. And also there was so many different types of people. They were just walking back and forth from the camera, in front of the camera. It was difficult just to find the perfect location to film. And I kid you not, I was looking at least for 15 minutes to find the perfect spot, but there just wasn't any. So I chose the second best spot where you could still hear some music and you could still see some people walking, but that's the best that I could do. But here is where my unique thought comes into play. Just like when you buy a new car, you can buy the car and you get the physical car. But on top of it, the person asks you, do you want this? Do you want heated seats? Do you want this? Do you want that? You can buy accessories upon it. And then you just have to pay a little bit more, but you get a better experience. So how about stadiums can do the same exact thing? Like, you can buy the stadium ticket and you have a stadium ticket, but you can buy accessories on top of it. Like for us YouTubers, why can't they give us like an accessory on top of it saying, hey, I'm gonna give you a quiet zone and you have these 10 minutes during this time and this time where you can film whatever video you need to, and all the commentary, the music, whatever, it'll be gone. Or there could be another accessory like this is a noise-proof area so you won't strain your ears too much, and another accessory over here, and just keep on adding accessory upon accessory, and then you just have to pay a little bit extra. And if I might add, notice that this isn't a brand new unique thought. You don't always have to come up with a brand new unique thought at each and every single week. And sometimes if you're having a hard week, just look back on your previous unique thoughts like how I did here and get your unique thought from a unique thought. And if you haven't guessed it already, welcome to the Perspective Building Workshop specialized for you, so you could get your unique thought by just monitoring your day-to-day surroundings. And if I could get my unique thought from a previous unique thought, then you could too. So make sure to keep your eyes and your mind wide open. As always, thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye!